Look what I got coming to the shop, guys.
A taco, and
I got a pair of skis.
this is a Tacoma, aka the taco. Did you see that? Hold on. Let's go back. It has a turbo. A turbo.
All right, guys, so my friend, I think he's my friend, or my acquaintance, we'll see. He said these things start.
Yeah.
He says yes. Maybe. So we have a older GPA 100. I don't think this is a power valve one.
We're gonna take off the seats right now. See how this engine looks.
This engine
Looks pretty clean.
is 2-stroke better than 4-stroke.
Dad, that was
What year is this one?
98.
So 98.
This will make it
Now he
easy.
jumps on the ski.
There you go.
What?
And then
What?
and then they'll go.
What are you talking about? Now will it start? Let's try that with the choke on. Now, will the Honda start? Let's take a look at this Honda AquaTrax. It's a F12X with a turbo. Do you see that turbo? Here we're just looking at the motor because these tend to corrode for some reason. And you guys have to also check the turbo manifold because these things get corrosion. Right here I'm just checking the oil, and the dry sump system really doesn't push oil to it unless you start it, so it really is not going to show you a dipstick right away. But once you start it, let it idle for a couple of seconds and recheck it again.
Ooh, look at him. Ooh.
Now verifying the titles, make sure you check the titles even if they're your friends and match it to the VINs on the vehicle.
if you want. Now the skis are coming off, yeah?
Now I'm reversing the car trying to get it straight so we can just winch this thing on. So Boss Lady is on the winch and we're trying to help pull it back, and the AquaTrax is ready to go. Now we're gonna go and get the other trailer. I'll be right back. And we're going to do the GPA 800 next. Now I'm backing up to the GPA 800 and we're winching it on. It's going better than last time. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.